Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Candy Blossom Shard in Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You will need this Candy Blossom Shard if you want to grab the Candy Blossom seed. As you can see here that we need one Candy Blossom Shard and also 60 golden eggs. And this is how you can get the Candy Blossom Shard. Acquired every 20 fruit submissions to the angry plant. So you need to feed the angry plant 25 times, and after the 25 submissions you can claim the Candy Blossom Shard. Okay, you can feed him with the plant or the fruit that he asked. And now he asked Easter candy carrot with specific weight. So just keep feeding the angry plant and you will get this Candy Blossom Shard. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Candy Blossom Shard in Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.